First five, Team Solido Capiteño, number 28, Torrente, number 10. Valerio, number 0, Hoxel, number 9, Morales, and number 20, Caberrio. Bakbakan na! Baka mapasma tuloy. Muli kami boy nagpapasalamat sa pangunguna ni Cap Marvin Pulido, Mayor S.M. Patro, and Commissioner Freddy Lelele Castiller sa napakagandang liga. Sa mga nagugutom dyan, meron tayo dito, kaibigan natin, suportahan ng Evans, Taxian. PM nyo lang si Conji.
Hello Mike. Ito gagawin natin dahil puno na yung ating venue, ang tawag niya puno na lang. Hindi natin pwede palihin to, pero yung sa ginigdan. Pero dito sa ating bench area, yung ating coach dapat, isa lang na kayo. Tatlo na po kayo kasi nagreklaman yung kabila. Kung kaya nilang gawin, dapat kaya nyo gawin. Ha? Palitan lang po tayo. Hindi, ang mangyayari niyan, yung player, sa flooring mo po, paupayin yung dalawang staff natin. Yung dalawang flooring, yung dalawang player sa flooring, yung staff. O kasi si coach, yun ang kanyang concern, no? Yung kanya nagawa niya eh. Yun lang naman, ha? Okay, thank you.
Yun. First quarter, final for first ball. Nakuha ng Boss Paeng. First bucket, mula kay Aragon. Pero pala, Valerio ito moves! Sana lang! Iwan mo yung Pakore. Pakore, drive to the basket. Easy 2 points by Pakore. Morales setting up lane. 10 seconds to shoot. Valerio foul. Goes Fowler. Jersey number 29. First personal foul. First team foul. Makes the first and last call by Valerio. Maraming salamat po muli kay Konsehala Dina Acosta. Split Charity. Eger with the ball. Pass to Pakore. Pakore. Wala. Riwan by Ramos. Steal by Eger. Almost a steal. Palomino fires. Palomino three. Steal by Aragon. Steal again. Alonso. Wow. Single. Foul yet. Yan si number 2. Yan si number 2 first. Oh. Meron. Nice pass! Foul! 29. Jersey number 29, first personal foul. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Complete the team was ready. From Morales. Pakinggan with the ball. Pass to Pakore. Back to Pakinggan. 3 seconds violation. Turnover. Bukas po ang ating day 2. Fortis versus Senior. Fortis and Senior Division. Boxer fires. Air ball. Turnover. Official score 7-4 in favor of Boss Paeng. Aragon. Aragon drives. Foul. Foul jersey number 0. First personal foul. First team foul. Makes the first and last throw by jersey number 2. Makes hook. Valerio. Setting the play. Pass to Morales. Back to Valerio. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Valerio. Wow! Who's foul na? Jersey number 2. Second personal foul, warning for a penalty. Makes the first and last throw by Valerio. Pakinggan. Pakinggan, nice block by Osel. Same ball. With 17 seconds shot clock. Smith setting the play. Nice block by Ramos. Pasok Remio. Nakit Jonathan. High kapatid. Smith with the ball. Pass to Arguson. To Matutino. Matutino. Pass to Pakinggan. 8 seconds to shoot. Still. Valerio. Dribble basket foul. Who's foul? Number 1. First personal foul. Penalty. Stop. Penalty. Makes the first and last of Valerio. Official score, all 9. Next move. Official score, 10-9. Change favor lamang ng Solido Caviteño. Ayan na si Bombay, 2 points by jersey number 75. Castro. Ramos. Boxer with the ball. Boxer fires the play. No good. dribble by Smith. Pass to Castro. Castro, good, dumukot Sala. Foul jersey number 21. First personal foul, penalty. Penalty. This is the first and last draw by Hoxel. Next ball. Siranya. Smith with the ball. Pass to Macore. To Arguson. Arguson. No good. Dribble by Valerio. Valerio. On the move. Pass to Morales. 2 points from Morales. Sinampahan ni Idol. Smith to Castro. Castro. Umaararo. Two-way shot. No good. Rebound by Valerio. Valerio. Running violation. Turnover. Suck. Yung mga nahihirapan manood sa labas, maluwag pa sa taas. Sama-sama na kayo dyan. Baka nainitan kayo, meron diyang electric fan. Ramirez using the glass, Loward. Pass to Torrente, to Valerio. Line out, jersey number 1. Boss Mae. Second personal foul, jersey number 1, penalty with 5 minutes and 40 seconds time remaining. Official score 40-11 in favor of Solvido Caviteño. 5 minutes and 40 seconds time remaining for the first quarter. Ang init ng laban. This is the first and last throw by Valerio. Kunin yung taxi doon. Split charity. Smith with the ball. Still! Kaya na kaibigan ko yung ay. Easy 2 points from Torrente. Ang kaibigan ko yung ay. Almost a steal. Steal naman. Kaya na ulit. Foul. Foul jersey number 30. Stop. Jersey number 30. First personal foul, penalty. He's the first and last throw by Torrente. Split charity. Ramirez Umano! Offensive foul! Stop! First personal foul. Corrente with the ball. Alvaro with the ball. Castro. Foul. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 5. First personal foul. Second team foul. Castro. 10 seconds to shoot. Ponce, easy 2 points from Ponce. Valerio. Sending the play. Paso Corrente. To Morales. 10 seconds to shoot. Still. Wow. Foul jersey number 5. Second personal foul, jersey number 5. Third team foul. Official score 21-30 in favor of Solido Caviteño. Ramirez with the ball. Pastor Guzon to Alfaro. Nice block! Save ball. Easy. Relax lang, mga idol. With 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ramirez. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 25. Moral. With 3 minutes and 45 seconds time remaining. Wow! Who's fouled up? Jersey number 17. First personal foul, jersey number 17. Penalty. Miss the first and last throw by Bermeo. Split charity. Easy. Ponce drives to the basket. No good. Pero may foul. 25. Jersey number 25. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Makes the first and last throw by Ponce. Split charity. Reward by Castro. Bumay, pull up, no good. Reward by Ramirez. Ramirez, no good pa rin. Wala pa rin. Bad pass, turnover. With 3 minutes and 21 seconds time remaining. Alvaro, wala. Reward by Valerio. Foul. Foul jersey number 21. Technical foul for jersey number 10 for second motion. Rest ka muna, idol. Pasok, idol. Jersey number 21, first personal foul. Penalty. Miss the first. Plus
Hoy! Gising!
first personal foul, Valerio. Second quarter ka na makakapasok. Miss the first and last na may Oxel. Split charity. Harvest with the ball. Pass to Ponce. Ponce setting the play. Steal. Ramos to Macario. Hoxel. Hoxel fires. Hoxel. Ang batang alas kami. Castro. Foul. Foul jersey number 25. Penalty. Second personal foul jersey number 25. Penalty. Makes the first and last throw by Castro. Makes four. Official score 26-16 in favor of Solido Caviteño. Torrente. Torrente lumipad! 2 points from Torrente. Ang kaibigan kong Yomay. Arbes. Foul. Jersey number 25. Jersey number 25. Penalty tayo. Jersey number 25, third personal foul. Both teams are in penalty situation. Yung mga sasakyan po na nasa loob ng simbahan, pakialis na daw po dahil isasarado na ang gate. Baka 8 AM pa ng umaga makuha ang mga sasakyan nyo. Next bones up. Pasok. Yung mga sasakyan po sa simbahan, pakiusap lang kung ayaw nyo ma-stranded ang sasakyan nyo dyan, ilabas nyo na. Ayan na si Torrente, nagkamadali. Pass to Oxel. Oxel, still. Still again. Line violation, turnover. With 2 minutes and 3 seconds time remaining, official score 28-18 in favor of Solido Caviteño. Two minutes, time remaining. Ayan na si Aragon, nice block by Moral. Sick ball. Relaxing. Baka makarami ng sa low pass. Playing ball. With 14 seconds on the shot clock. Ponce with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket by Mumbai. Torrente. Pass to Moral. Moral to Excel. Nagod lang. Iwan by Mumbai. Arbes. Setting the play. Anabot by Saragot. Habermio. Still Aragon. Easy 2 points by Aragon. Observe, fires the lead. Point! Patakalas kami. Arbes setting the play. Pass to Ponce. Ponce! 2 points from Ponce. Official score, 31-27 in favor of Solido Caviteño. With 30 seconds time remaining. Hot pass, turnover. With 29 seconds time remaining. Down to 4 ang lamang ng Solido Caviteño. Arbes with the ball. Arbes setting the play. With 20 seconds time remaining. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 88. First personal foul. Penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation with 15.8 seconds time remaining. This is the first and last throw by Castro. Split Charity. With 15 seconds, time remaining. 15 seconds. Turnover. Timeout. Solido Caviteño with 14.4 seconds, time remaining. Official score, 31-28 in favor of Solido Caviteño. 14.4 seconds, time remaining. 14 seconds, time remaining. Castro. Foul. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. 88. Second personal foul. Penalty. Makes the first and last throw by Castro. Next ball with 10 seconds time remaining. Oxel with the ball. Oxel fires. No good. 4 seconds. Ayan na si Aragon. Easy 2 points by Aragon. Head of the first quarter, official score, 32-31. Change favor lamang na ng isa. Apos pa rin. Bukas po, championship game din po ng 40s Division and Senior Division. Valerio, set the play. Valerio, running violation, turnover. Sinagat kay Maure, bad pass, turnover. One point lead by Pinson, dito Caviteño. Ay, Boss Malik. Oxer fires, Oxer, 3 points. Arbes, Alion kay Maure, 2 points by Maure. Official score, all 34. Valerio setting the play. Foul. Foul jersey number 28. Second personal foul jersey number 28. First team foul. Valerio fires. Air ball. Maure fires a 3. No good. Oy! Yun lang. Turnover. Stop.
May pinasa sa kailangan? Wala na.
Ako, utang nila ko yung kumbol.
Valerio setting the play. Valerio. Uy! Lumusot si Valerio. 2 points kay Valerio. Aragon fires. No good. Pass to Valerio. Oh! 2 points by Valerio. Ano nga si Austin Jacob? Arbes setting the play. Arbes with the pull-up. No good. Rebound by Averio. Pass to Valerio. Still Arbes. Pass to Cepanya. To Maure. To Aragon. Oh! Basket coming from Aragon. What a move! Ang ganda mo. Saulga. Valerio. 10 seconds to shoot. Observe mo poste. Foul. Who's ball left? West. Jersey number 14. Sub. First personal foul. Second team foul. Saulga. Inbound. Pass to Oxel. Oxel. Pull up. No good. Ayan na si Aragon. Oh! Tama! Rebound play. Pass to Valerio. Valerio! Mag-ingat tayo sa ere. Sige lang. Diyan ka lang, idol. Huwag ka pa nang gumalaw. Bigyan ka ng hangin. Medic, medic. Basket count plus foul. Jersey number. Jersey number 29, third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Bigyan niya ng hangin. Hangin. Nagdali ang pagbagsak ng Aeroplano. Complete the three-point play by Valerio. Aragon to Speed. Speed, step back three. No good. Rebound with Pacore. 2 points by Pacore. Ronaldo with the ball. Pass to Roxel. With 10 seconds on the shot clock. Roxel, no good. Rebound with Tabernia. Valerio fires, no good. Pero sa kanya pa rin. Nice pass! Basket by Tabernia. Official score 23-38 in favor of Solido Capitreño. Geronimo, 10 seconds to shoot. 3 points. 3 points by Speed and Wesson. 2-point lead by Team Solido Capitreño. Valerio, setting the play. Pass to Torralde. Almost a basket. Aragon. Back pass, steal, Marcel. To Valerio. Valerio, wala. Uy! Kinuha ni Aragon. Geronimo, setting the play. Geronimo drives, no good. Rebound by Aragon. Geronimo, 10 seconds to shoot. Pacore. Back pass, turnover. Ayan na, si Torralde. Official score 43-41 in favor of Solido Capitreño. Nice pass! What a play! Para kayo mga palaka! Uy, sala lang! Solido, ball! Sub! Solido Capitreño, may warning po kayo for bench decorum. May warning po ang bench. Pakiayos na lang po, coach, para iwas tayo sa technical. Valerio, Bumaposte. Uy! Foul! Foul jersey number 2. Sub. Jersey number 2. Third personal foul. Penalty. With 4-point lead, Solido Catipeño. Is the first and last throw by Valerio. Bukas po ulit, meron pa tayong championship game. Mas maganda ang laban bukas. Wala! Ayan na si Castillo. Castillo, basket by Castillo. Ramirez, same ball with 4 minutes and 27 seconds time remaining. Up by 7 ang lawang ng Solido Caviteño. Double foul jersey number 13. Jersey number 13. First personal foul. First team foul. Pastoyak mo. Foul. Jersey number 29. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Ay, diniyak mo, no?
Smith fires the three. No good. Rebonoyak mo. Wala. Pakure. 2 points. Ay, siya na pala yun. Kasi pakure. Valerio with the ball. Still by Smith. Easy 2 points from Smith. And Dueson. Official score 48-45 in favor of Solido Caviteño. Almost a basket. Ramirez. Foul.
Ay, si Bongin, makakakot.
29. Second personal foul. Sub. Third team foul. Official score 48-45. 3-point lead from team Solido Caviteño. Makes the first and last throw by Ramirez. Maraming salamat po sa nagla-live broadcast sa Facebook. Search nyo lang po Municipality of Tansa. Nakalive po tayo. Valerio with the ball. Valerio fires. No. Rebound po. Geronimo. Nakuha ni Ramirez. Ramirez drives. Pero may foul. Who's foul rep? 20. Jersey number 20. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Makes the first and last throw by Ramirez. Official score. All 48. Baseball, timeout. Solido Caviteño. Hockey with 3 minutes and 18 seconds time remaining. Official score 49-48. 1-point lead by team Boss Maeng. Resume the ball game. Muli, kami po ay nagpapasalamat kay Cap Marvin Pulido, Mayor SM Matro, and Teleleg Estilier sa napakagandang liga. Patuloy nyo lang, suportahan. Ayan na. Ay, binagong yung ay. Mazol, setting the play. Tutabelio, running violation. Turnover. Geronimo, pass to Smith, setting the play. Pass to Yakmo, pumoposte. Wala. Turnover. Valerio. Oh, lumusot 2 points from Valerio. Lamang ng isang solido kapitreño. Speed. Double dribble. Turnover. Averio, Tumasol, Tutorete, Torrete, Tutoberio, last play! Basket by Averio. Ramirez with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Almost a steal. Pero may foul tayo. Foul jersey number 24. First personal foul penalty. Penalty. Sub. Official score 52-49 in favor of Solido Habiteño. Makes the first and last throw by Smith. Both sub. Mazol. Tutorete. Tutorete. Back to Mazol. 10 seconds to shoot. To Ramos. Morante. Morante wala. Iwan mo yung Mordoña. 1 minute and 40 seconds time remaining. Still by Valerio. Easy 2 points from Valerio. Skip. Foul. Jersey number 5. Third personal foul, jersey number 5, penalty. Makes the first and last throw by Smith. Split charity. Foul. Who's foul left? Jersey number 7. 75. 7 lang. Makes the first and last one by Valerio. First personal foul, jersey number 7. Penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation. Speed to be discarded. Lubusok, 2 points by Speed. 50 seconds time remaining. Masol, Numarete. Langing foul. Jersey number 30. Second personal foul. Penalty. Missed the first and last throw by Torrente. Split charity. Castro with the ball. Wala pa rin. Basket by Ramirez. 35 seconds time remaining. Official score, all 56. Valerio drives. Foul. Foul jersey number 75. Penalty. First personal foul jersey number 75. Penalty. Missed the first and last throw by Valerio with 25 seconds time remaining. Split charity. Ramirez setting the play. With 18 seconds time remaining, 14 seconds to shoot. Ramirez, foul. Who's foul left? Jersey number 24. Second personal foul, penalty. Makes the first and last throw by Ramirez with 13 seconds time remaining. 13 seconds. Makes both. Seconds. Time remaining. Valerio. 5. Still by Valerio. Valerio fires. 2. And on the second quarter official score, 58-57 in favor of Boss Mae. Castro fires, no. Palumpo drives, no. Alfaro with the ball. Langing foul. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. First personal foul. First team foul. Arrow. Ramirez, basket by Still. Ramirez, dumidiskarte, Castro, to Alvaro. 10 seconds to shoot, Alvaro pulang. In and out. Malumpong, nagmamadali, Castro, Torrente. Torrente pulang. Basket by Torrente. Ang kaibigan kong Yohai. Alvaro setting the play. Wala, rebound by Torrente. Vasco Morales. Nakuha ni Manigar. Almost a basket. Rebound by Ponce. Ponce drive. No! Manigar to Torrente. Torrente lumipad. Basket by Torrente. Official score 61-60 in favor of Solid Torrente. Almost a steal. At na-steal na. Foul. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. First personal foul. First team foul. Malungkot with the ball. With 14 seconds of the shot clock. Oxel. Wala. Second personal foul na pala si Ponce. Aragon Mars. Aragon 3 points. Oxel to be discarded. Oxel 5. Oxel 3. Alvaro to Castro. Castro pumupuste. Inuusok si Ferdinand. Basket by Castro. Body lang. Torrente with the ball. Pass to Oxel. Oxel fires again. Oxel. Aragon. To Castro. Basket by Castro. Siguro pala yun? Volante pala. Ay, di. Traveling violation. Turnover. Sub.
Okay lang ba? Okay lang ba ng maganda lalo?
Alvaro pulang. No. Official score 69-67 in favor of Gospaeng. Basket by Malungkot. Repanahaton. Double foul. Jersey number 21 Alvaro and jersey number 0 Oxel. Here, Morales to Torrente. Torrente fakes. Basket by Torrente. 0. Third personal foul, Oxel. Second team foul official score 71-69 in favor of Solido Magenteno. Offensive foul jersey number 21. Number 22. Official score 71-69 in favor of Solido Magenteno. Steve Aragon. Palungkod drives. Basket by Palungkod. 5 minutes, time remaining. Aragon setting the play. Pass to Matutino. Matutino fires. No. Kaya by Aragon. Nice pass by Paure. 2 points by Paure. 2-point lead by Team Solido Magenteno. Palungkod setting the play. Pass to Morales. Nice pass. Basket by Jesus. Nice pass din. Basket by Kumbay. Volante. Official score 75-73 in favor of Solido Magenteno. Palungkod, setting the play, pass to Oxel. Foul. Foul jersey number 1, sub. Third personal foul jersey number 1. Second team foul. With 3 minutes and 53 seconds time remaining. Valerio, 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Torrente. Foul. Foul jersey number 25. Jersey number 25. First personal foul. 30 foul. Technical. Coach. Entering the court. Or entering the court. Tira ng isa ng Boss Maeng at tira ng dalawa para sa Solido. This the bonus throw. Muli, kami po ay nagpapasalamat kay Cap Marvin Pulido, Mayor SM Matro, and Freddy Delene Castilier. Two shots tayo. Second team foul. 30 foul pa lang. Ayun. Official score 75-74. 1 point lead by Team Solido Magenteno. Anong nangyari sa inyo? Relax lang, mga manonood. Easy lang kayo.
Hello. Hello, Mike. Oh, nandiyan si Cap. Cap! Meron tayong protocol. Kapag yung audience, binabastos yung referee, nagtitrek kayo sa amin, pauwi namin kayo ng bahay. Paalisin natin yan, para hindi pabalisan. Cap, hindi natin umpisahan yung game, kasi yung paalis doon. Ha? Protocol natin yan. Okay, hindi talaga. Hindi pa pag-umpisa yung game, kasi yung paalis yan. Paalisin nyo.
Hoy! Lipat ka mo ng pwesto. Lipat ka muna sa di ka nakikita. Relax lang.
Hello. Oh, sige. Ulitin ko lang ha, hindi kami nagtituro. Hindi libre sa amin ng mura, sabihin na kami rito. Pag kami minumura nyo, nakakita namin ng gaspat, itigil tayo ng game, mapapahiya talaga kayo. Di ba rin mapahiya kayo, huwag mamatigil yung liga natin. Thank you.
Game. Aray ko. Mahirap yun. Nadali ng deprek ha. Foul jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Fourth personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. 1 point lead by Team Solido Caviteño. Valerio setting the play. Still by Pacore. Pacore grabs 2 points by Pacore. Formation score 76-75 in favor of Sports Miami. Ano yun? Konsi, Mina, birthday ko ngayon. Baka makasulisit. Salamat, Idol. Sa mga may birthday dyan, happy birthday sa inyo. Mag-interview ka daw eh. Muli, kami po ay nagpapasalamat kay Mayor SM Patro, Cap Marvin Pulido, and Freddy Delelec Estilier sa napakagandang liga. Keep ball. Walang foul. Kick ball. Kick ball. Valerio, setting the play. Trapas, steal. Bombay, Tupakore. Aragon. Aragon Minimol. Aragon Mars. No. Evo Morales to Axel. Axel Mars. No. Evo Aragon. Matutino. Matutino Bryce. Save ball. Huli. Wow. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Sub. Sub. One point lead by King Boss Mike. Aragon with the ball. Pasco. Oh, nice block. Safe ball. With 10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Sub. Okay, nakapasok pa rin. Wala, ariwa kay Tom Valerio. Ariwa kay Torrente. Wala. Single. Time out. Time out. Solido Mavinteño with 2 minutes and 30 seconds time remaining. Official score 76-75 in favor of Boss Maeng. Try ko. Valerio fires. No. Rebound by Morales. Nice pass kay Torrente. Basket by Torrente. Ang kaibigan kong Yokay. Yokay. Pakore. Setting the play. Uy, ano yun? Valerio. Ariyo kay Torrente. 2 points by Torrente. 1 minute and 55 seconds time remaining. Official score 79-76 in favor of Solido Mavinteño. Foul jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Personal foul. Warning for penalty. Makes the first and last of by Ramirez. Makes both. 1 point lead by Team Solido. Official score 79-78. Morales with the ball. Pass to Valerio. To Torrente, 10 seconds to shoot. Torrente fires. No. Skip, nagmamadali. Nakuha ni Aragon. Aragon fires. No. Naliwag kita Vermio. Foul jersey number 13. First personal foul. Penalty. Penalty. It's the first and And last throw by Tabermio. Mismo. Smith setting the play. 1 minute time remaining. Foul basket. Who's foul left? Jersey number 1. First personal foul, jersey number 1. Penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation. Missed the 3-point opportunity. Valerio drives to the basket. No good. Rebound by Ramirez. Ramirez nagmamadali. Oh! Basket coming from Ramirez. Nag-hokay. Hokay. Torrente. Fires again. No good. Rebound by Aragon. Pass to Pauline. Front pass. Turnover. With 36 seconds, time remaining. 36 seconds, time remaining. Morales. Almost a basket. Rebound by Smith. Aragon. Easy to points. 20 seconds, time remaining. Valerio setting the play. Valerio with the ball. Still, almost a steal. 10 seconds. Turnover with 8.9 seconds. Time remaining. 8.9. 8.9 seconds. So, five seconds. Smith fires. Go. And of the third quarter, official score 84-79 in favor of Boss Maeng. Maganda na kayo. Baka magkaroon ng next season. Ipunin nyo na mga lineup nyo. Purohin nyo na. Pusit. Bawal si Puloy. Baka mapasma. Maghatong ng ihaw. Still by Smith. Easy 2 points from Smith. And Wesson. Morales with the ball. Pass to Tabermio. To Torrente. 10 seconds to shoot. Morales. Oh! Foul. Foul jersey number 21. Third personal foul jersey number 21. First team foul. Makes the first and last throw by Morales. Next move. Official score 86-81 in favor of Boss Maeng. Ramirez, nagpapadali. Nice block. Pero safe ball. with 16 seconds on the shot clock. Smith setting the play. Alparo fires. No! Rebound by Torrente. Torrente nagmamadali. Basket by Torrente. Ang kaibigan kong Yokay. Smith setting the play. Woo! Sana lang. Foul. Who's foul that? Jersey number 6. Malumpon. First personal foul. First team foul. Official score 86-83 in favor of Boss Maeng. Smith to Castro. 10 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul. Offensive on jersey number 75. Sub. Second personal foul. Jersey number 75. Malupon to Torrente. Torrente setting the play. Oh! 2 points from Torrente. 1 point lead by Teams Boss Maeng. Aragon with the ball. Aragon. Pull up. Basket by Aragon. Official score 88-85 in favor of Boss Maeng. Morales setting the play. With 10 seconds on the shot clock. Torrente. Pass to Tabermio, 5 seconds to shoot. Malumpon, basket by Malumpon. Official score, all 88. Traveling violation. Official score, 88-87 in favor of Boss Maeng, 1 point lead. Morales to Torrente. Torrente setting the play. Torrente drives, nice block from Castro. 8 seconds to shoot. Woo! What a move coming from Morales. Ang bata Caviteño. Aragon. Holding foul, jersey number 6. Second personal foul, second team foul. Castro. Castro with the ball. Basket by Castro. No, Ikari Castro. Official score 90-89, 1 point lead. 3 points! Jersey number 6. Torre. Drive to the basket. No! Rebound by Castro. Castro. Basket by Castro. Official score all 92. Lamang ang may alam. Coach, wait lang. Wait lang. May ano sila? All. ko sa iyo ini-stress mo ako Final score yan, official score, all 92. Sub. Smith with the ball. Pass to Pacore. Pacore, step back play. No! Line violation, turnover. Torrente with the ball. Torrente setting the play. Pass to Palungpon. 10 seconds to shoot. Same ball with 9 seconds shot clock. 9 seconds shot clock. 9 seconds. Torrente fires. No. Rebound pa rin ni Torrente. Nice pass. Rebound by Pacore. Pass to Smith. Oh! Sana! Torrente, 2 points by Torrente. Official score, 94-92 in favor of Solido Capitanio. Castro. Traveling violation, turnover. 2-point lead by Team Solido Capitanio. Palungpon with the ball now. Palungpon setting the play. 10 seconds to shoot. Palungpon fires. Air ball. Turnover. Speed. Lumidiskarte. Steal by Palungpon. Easy 2 points. Aragon with the ball. Aragon fires. Go. Steal by Palungpon. Timeout, Boxman. With 4 minutes and 22 seconds time remaining. Official score, 96-92. Up by 4 ang Solido Capitanio. Torrente with the ball. To Morales. 8 seconds to shoot. Morales fires. Go. Still. Hoy. Ramirez. Almost a steal. Recovery Aragon. Aragon wala. Foul. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Ano lagay? Hindi mapalagay. Torrente with the ball. Torrente pull up, no. Primavera Mines. Still by Morales. Almost a steal. Louis Bataan, and he got the line. Wow. Who's foul red? Jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. Third personal foul. 13 foul sub. Makes the first and last throw by Torrente. Makes ball. Official score 19-92. In favor of Stanley Galileo. Foul. Who's foul rep? 20. Jersey number 20. Tabervio. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Makes the first and last throw by Ramirez. Official score 98-93 in favor of Solido Caviteño. Makes both 98-94. 4-point lead by Team Solido Caviteño. Valerio setting the play. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket by Torrente. Aragon drives to the basket. Oh! Rebound by Morales. Pass to Valerio. To Tabervio. Wala. Nice block. Moral. Foul. Jersey number 17. Fourth personal foul, jersey number 17. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty.
Wala kasi, nagmamadali sila, lamang kumain. Kasaan.
Foul. Jersey number 28. Third personal foul, penalty. It's the first and last foul by Torrente.
Lima.
Next move. Timeout. Solido. Goes Maeng. Leon. Still. Easy 2 points from Valerio. Still again. Moral. Wala. Rebound by Aragon. Aragon na naman ulit. Pass to Smith. Smith wants. 3 points. 5 points. Pangkasama. Foul jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Sub. Listo por bloqueo por delivery ni Aragon. May foul pangkasama. Foul jersey number 25. Jersey number 25, fourth personal foul penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation. Makes the first and last draw by Aragon. Next goal, official score 104-99. In favor of Solido Abiteno. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Cap Marvin Pulido, Mayor S.L. Matro, and Derek Estilera. Same ball. Ramirez Mars, wala. Basket by Dubai. Official score 106-101. 5.8 by Team Solido Abiteno. Almost a steal. Oh! Sasalpangan, ipoposterize si Idol. Foul jersey number 28. Jersey number 28. Fourth personal foul. Penalty. Missed the first and last throw by Tabermio. Split Charity. Up by 6 ang lamang ng Solido. Smith fires, no! Still, foul! Foul jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Second personal foul penalty with 1 minute and 12 seconds time remaining. Sub. Bukas po, meron pa tayong championship game. Laro ng Fortis Elite Boomers versus Cap Waki and Senior Division Boss Maeng versus Boss Big for Senior Division. Subs. Official score 107-103 in favor of Solido Abiteno. Warning for delaying the game. Wait lang daw po. Wait lang. May concern. Technical. Meron na kasi tayong warning kanina sa bench decoro at tapos ngayon, warning for the leg game, kaya may technical na tayo. Gets nyo? Gets ko. Bonus throw. Official score 107-104. 3-point lead by Team Solido Abiteno. With 1 minute and 12 seconds time remaining. play. Ano ang hatol? Double foul, jersey number 10 and jersey number 25, jersey number 10, third personal foul, and jersey number 25, second personal foul. With 54 seconds time remaining, 54 seconds. Caberio, pinabali-bali, Paso Torrente. Line violation! Turnover! Three-point lead by Team Solido Caviteño. 107-104 official score. Alvaro with the ball now. Pass to Aragon. Aragon to Ramirez. Fires! Wala. Turnover. Timeout. Solido Caviteño. With 37 seconds time remaining, official score 107-104 in favor of Solido Caviteño. Resume the voting. Muli, kami po ay nagpapasalamat kay Camp Marvin Pulido, Mayor S.M. Pato, and Derek Engineer. Both teams nag-isang timeout with 37 seconds time remaining. Valerio with the ball. Paso Torrente. Steal! Alvaro, easy to points. With 27 seconds time remaining. Official score 107-106. 1 point lead by Team Solido Caviteño. Valerio with the ball. With 12 seconds on the shot clock. Valerio pula. Timeout. Boss Baeg with 12 seconds time remaining. Official score 109-106 in favor of Solido Caviteño. Walang tatayo. Tayo ba ay mag-OT? OT? OT! Wala, lobat ka rin. Solido Caviteño, meron pa kayong isang timeout. Boss Baeg, wala lang. Wala lang. Official score 109-103, 106. 3-point lead by Team Solido Caviteño. Aragon, 10 seconds. Snake pass. Go! Single. With 6 seconds. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Stop. Timeout. Timeout. Solido Caviteño with 4 seconds time remaining. Official score 109-108. 1 point lead by Team Solido Caviteño.
pa time out. Zone inbound.
Both teams, wala na kayong timeout. Rest of the ball game. Ano ang ulam? Tuyo o pork chop?
Wala na. Wala na shot na yan. Ayun. Wala.
Foul jersey number 21.